What's up, guys, man? It's Tazbegrinding, and I got a good little video for y'all today. So today we're gonna be cutting the secondary cat off. So this is gonna be a before and after.
I had it 3 days.
Yeah, it's pretty. Alright, y'all. So we back from the muffler shop, and yeah, we just got the secondary cat deleted. So I'm gonna give y'all some in-cabin noise and what it sounds like. It crackles a lot. I'm happy with it. Let me know if y'all happy with it, cause I am. Good enough for me. Right now. Eventually we gonna get that boiler on though. So I'm gonna give y'all some rails when I get back to the house though.